2025 is going to be the no makeup look. Effortless, easy, out the door quickly, no fuss makeup. I'm going to show you 4 products. I call it 4 out the door. So I'm going to start just with moisturizer. Any moisturizer that you have laying around works for me and will work for you. So now I have my moisturizer on. I'm going to start with, you can use any kind of illuminator. This one's from Say. This is the Star Glow. Any illuminizer. I have tried the CoverGirl Opal illuminizer. Works just as good as the expensive brand. So there's your dupe. Check out CoverGirl. I am not sponsored. I'm going to just gently keep that out of my hair. Put that on nice. Next up, I just found out about Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm going to go ahead and use hers. You can use your CoverGirl, you can use Maybelline, whatever works for you. I kind of do like the tip on this. I know that there are other dupes that have the little tip like that. If yours doesn't have a tip, who cares? Just use your fingers, use whatever. I have a wet sponge. This is going to be an easy out the door makeup if you're in a hurry, if you're on vacation and everybody's always thinking they're going to wait for you. Oh, so-and-so's getting ready. It's going to be an hour. Guess what? Not with these tips. This is going to be an easy makeup for and out the door. So that made my skin beautiful and my skin tone is a lot even. I like that. It's my first time trying this. All right, my next step, I thought would be fun to use this. This is brand new too. I just picked this up from Sephora. It's just the bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. And if I can get it open, oh, pretty packaging, fancy. And let's see what this looks like. It's just a bronzer. Whatever bronzer you have will work. My only suggestion, get a brush. If you forgot to clean your makeup brushes, get a roll of your bony paper towels or whatever paper towels that you have on hand and swirl the brush. Get that other product off of there. I think this was an Hourglass product. So I'm just kind of getting that off of there so I can let my other bronzer shine. So like I said, this is going to be an easy 4 out the door. So this is going to be my 3rd product. I just want a little bit of bronzing on my face. Maybe I'll put a little bronzer right there. That looks nice. This is under 10 minutes. We are at 3 minutes so far. I'm going to take, this is just an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go ahead and go, let's go with this one, just a nice light. And I'm not going to use a brush. This is easy. This is an easy out the door look. Makeup does not have to be complicated. It's only as complicated as you make it. And that's with anything in life. You overcomplicate things and it's going to be complicated. You make it simple, then there it is. Look. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go in it's under 4 minutes. Maybe just put my hair up in a ponytail and I'm off to wherever I need to go for today. 4 and out the door. My new 2025 spring summer no makeup look. I think this looks great. Try it. Thumbs up and check out my other videos. I have some other really great tips. All right, bye-bye.